Right, we're back again. We're now trying to assemble the two parts. So I'm going to open up Container Base originally. Now remember, this time we're going to use the assembly view because we're trying to assemble things. So when I click in the assembly view, there will be nothing there to begin with. So we have to start inserting parts. So insert, and it'll give you the part one, which we'll just use. So double click on that and place that in the view. Now remember, to begin with, it's quite good to right click. I will hit the tick first. There we go. Right clicking and go to fix. Fix the coffee container to one space or one area. Right, back to insert again. We're going to go, at this time we have to go to other documents. So we'll go to my OneShape, into coffee container. There's a container lid. It says something about it being another version, so we're going to create a new version of this in here. Version 1, fine. Create. And just drop that and place that there just now. So that's got everything we require now to create this, to assemble it. All we need to do now is actually get them fitting together.